about some add-ons to make your gaming experience more refined. We will also be talking about your favorite gaming pro kit. The first is a must-have for any gamer, the Realme cooling backclip. Experienced gamers will know that smartphones tend to heat up after extended gaming sessions. In addition to causing visual lag and unstable connections, this can also result in slower charging speeds and shortened battery life. This accessory helps smartphones stay at a manageable temperature to keep you immersed in the game, all done with the patented dual cooling tech. Let's take a look at how it works. Specifically designed for gamers with sweaty hands. The Realme mobile game finger sleeves are thin, measuring only 0.25mm in thickness. By utilizing a one-piece seamless design and
introduce the Realme Buds Air 2, the new generation of truly wireless earbuds we've developed in collaboration with the Chainsmokers. Let's start with the design first. For young generation today, earbuds are a style statement, not just a tool to listen to music or watch movies. It's an accessory that represents individuality, personality, and their attitude. At Realme, we believe in excelling ourselves. That's why we've brought a brand new form. The two designs are distinct, each with its flair and style statement. Trust me, you cannot go wrong with either option. It just comes down to a matter of personal taste. Do you like the brilliance of black or the luminosity of white? In terms of weight, one earbud only weighs 4.1 grams, which is less than a sheet of A4. Buds compared to its last generation. Are you all ready? The all-new Realme Buds Air 2 supports the much-wanted active noise cancellation technology, a feature that has usually been seen in high-end flagship phones. The thrill of active noise cancellation and set them free from the clutter of noise so that they can just be and express themselves to the fullest. Realme Buds Air 2 supports up to 25 decibels of noise cancellation and can filter out most low-frequency noise, including the rumble of airplanes, the subway, and other transportation. It also cancels out the noise of home appliances, allowing you to be immersed in music or work without being disturbed. What's more, the Realme Buds Air 2 also supports transparency mode. When it's on, you'll still be able to hear conversations around you through the microphone. That means you'll still be able to talk to your friends without having to remove the earbuds. When it comes to calls, Realme Buds Air 2 is equipped with dual microphones for superior sound pickup. With our excellent ENC or environmental noise cancellation algorithm, noise in your surroundings is reduced. The caller on the other side will be able to hear your voice clearly. Besides being a tech democratizer, we are a tech pioneer as well. For the chipset, Realme has exclusively developed a new generation of intelligent noise reduction chip, the R2 chip. The greatest highlight of this chip is its ability to support active noise cancellation. It also features fantastic computing performance, better energy efficiency, and more stable connections and high-quality calls. Let me tell you, there are some impressive upgrades here. Compared with the previous generation R1 chip, battery life is increased by 80%. The latency is reduced by an amazing 35% under the same conditions. The signal reception and transmission have been improved by 3 decibels and 2 decibels respectively. The Realme Buds Air 2 also supports the latest Bluetooth 5.2, giving you an audio experience with very less lag. We pride ourselves on striving to maintain the best standards in audio quality. One of the highlights of Buds Air 2 is its impressive sound quality. After all, the Chainsmokers and the Realme Music Studios work together on this product. So nice, isn't it? I know you are eagerly waiting to try this product. Now, as we bring it to an end with the new star member of our Realme TWS family, you must have noticed that we kept the promise that we made in the beginning. It is a complete upgrade. In the Realme Buds Air 2, everything is upgraded. Design, chip, noise cancellation, sound quality, battery life, low latency, you name it and we've upgraded it. And that's what we mean when we say total upgrade. So I'm sure all of you are dying to know the price of these fully upgraded and truly democratized earbuds with active noise cancellation, which have been fine-tuned. Well, the price of the Realme Buds Air 2 with active noise cancellation feature is only Rs 3,299. First sale starts at 12 PM 2nd March and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and will also be available in mainline stores very soon. Next up, we would like to introduce everyone to a small nightlight that looks just like a donut, the Realme Motion Activated Nightlight. With its modern, Nordic and minimalistic design, it looks like a dainty piece of artwork. The shape is inspired indeed by delicious and sweet donuts. Smooth and round, it shows the beauty of the curves. The skin-friendly matte surface is fingerprint-proof and gives the device a comfortable non-slip grip. It uses environmentally friendly and fireproof PC material, high on quality, very reliable and very durable. The Realme Motion Activated Nightlight supports human motion detection. It has a built-in infrared motion sensor and a photo sensor that supports 120-degree super wide range sensing with an effective area of 6 meters. It is able to sense body motion even in low light, so there's no need to fumble at night to find the light switch anymore. The Realme Motion Activated Nightlight uses a diffused light source system. Its 2800 Kelvin warm yellow light simulates natural light, warm and soft without hurting our eyes. The nightlight has also passed a photobiological safety certification with no flickering lights and an RO level of no blue light. Stay safe with scientific light dimming. Additionally, the Realme Motion Activated Nightlight also supports dual brightness adjustments. The high level light is brighter and suitable for large spaces. The low level light is moderate and lights up without disturbing other people. The Realme motion activated nightlight supports a variety of placement methods and can easily cover most home environments. The built-in magnets can firmly attach the nightlight to any magnetic surface. There is also a strong adhesive sticker on the back of the light base, ready to be attached to a large variety of surfaces. With its hollow ring design, it can easily be hung anywhere as well. Incredibly flexible, and as I said, it can easily be used in a variety of environments. It'll light up for you as long as you want it to. As for the battery life is concerned, it uses 3 AAA batteries. In low brightness mode, if it lights up about 15 times a day on average for 15 seconds each time, it can actually last to an astonishing 365 days. So for an entire year, you are free from the hassle of constantly changing batteries. Also, we'll be giving the batteries included in the box, and you guys can also buy these Realme batteries separately from our website. Plus, the Realme motion activated nightlight has a major advantage that it doesn't need to be plugged in. Without any wiring constraints, feel free to place it anywhere you want. And that is our charming yet practical Realme motion activated nightlight. With its responsive low light motion sensing, eye protecting diffuse lighting, flexible placement methods, and a long battery life of 365 days, it is strongly recommended for those with elderly or children at home, as well as friends who often get up at night. You can get the Realme motion activated nightlight at only 599 rupees on Flipkart and Realme.com from 26 February 12 noon onwards. Let there be light. Today, you met our new friend. The first product is Realme t-shirt. It is made of Pima cotton with special long fibers that make it soft to touch and give it a beautiful natural draping shape. The finishing of the t-shirt is done by the bio-polishing process, giving it a clean surface and better quality. The second super cool product is the Realme cap. We've taken into consideration the curves of most people's heads and have given this cap a smooth, ergonomic contour and an adjustable band that can fit different head circumferences. Realme cap is created for an active lifestyle, uses a polymer 12 fabric with interlocking polyester fibers that increase breathability to keep you feeling as fresh as you look. The third product is Realme sweatshirt, made of terry cloth material with a sleek surface and soft texture to provide a comfortable and warm feeling. We have used advanced rubber cement screen printing and 3D embroidery that produces vibrant colors and realistic textures, giving this sweatshirt a dose of pure Realme surrealism. It will be available in 2 colors, black and white. Flaunt yourself with the Realme t-shirt, Realme cap and Realme sweatshirt. The Realme t-shirt will be priced at Rs 999 and will be available on Realme.com starting 26 Feb 12 noon. The Realme cap will also be priced at Rs 999 and will be available on Realme.com also starting 26 Feb at 12 noon. The Realme sweatshirt will be priced at Rs 1999 and will be available soon on Realme.com. Now these are all the Realme merchandise products. Hope you'll all like them. Now it's finally time for what you've all been waiting for. The price announcements of Narzo 30 Pro 5G, Narzo 30A and Realme Buds Air 2. The most powerful 5G gaming mid-range, Narzo 30 Pro 5G, featuring the commendable 7nm MediaTek Dimensity 800U processor, coupled with a 48MP Ultra HD main camera and 120Hz ultra high refresh rate display, along with the unique Dart Charge technology and ultra long battery life, ensuring the smoothest possible 5G experience, comes in 2 variants, 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, and 2 colors, sword black and plaid silver. It will come at the most democratized price. So how much we price it? Well, the Narzo 30 Pro 5G 6 plus 64GB variant is priced at 16,999. And for the 8 plus 128GB variant, this one will be priced at 19,999. This is absolutely your best option to a powerful 5G phone. The stunning powerful budget gaming Ninja Narzo 30A, featuring a 6000 mAh mega battery, 6.5 inches wide full screen, a MediaTek Helio G85 processor benchmarked at 200K and multifunctional cameras, excellent and daunting and energetic design, comes in 2 variants. The Narzo 30A 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage variant is priced at only Rs 8,999. And the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at only Rs 9,999. The first sale starts at 12 PM 5th March and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and in mainline stores.
Take me away to a much better place. Yeah, we could run away. Yeah, we could go today. Just take me away.
Go get these new
Where we all feel the same. Where we all feel okay. Where we all feel no pain. Yeah, I don't wanna stay down no more. Hit me with the pain and the stab as I grow. Turn up the mic gain as I grab what I know. I want the right fame just to pass you my flow. I wanna teach the masses like